How to fix the issue of microphone not working on Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings application. So use the shortcut key Window plus I to open Settings app. After that, on your left hand side you will see a lot of options. Simply go to System. After that, scroll down to search for troubleshoot. Once you find, double click on it. Then after, go to other troubleshoots. Here you simply need to choose the option of audio and click on the run option beside it. After that, your device will provide certain instruction to follow it. Simply follow the instruction and run the troubleshoot for audio and microphone on your device. After that, even if your issue is not solved, simply go to Start menu and search for Device Manager. Once you click on the application, here you will see the option of audio input and output at the top. Double click on it. From that, simply go to the drivers of your microphone. Click on microphone and go to driver. Choose the option of update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. And that's it. After that, you will be able to fix your issue. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.